Have you ever noticed that the more you earn, the less it seems to change anything? Not in theory, but in real life. Your salary goes up, your lifestyle improves, and yet somehow your bank balance doesn't feel very different. So the question is, where is the money actually going? Scene 1, relatable scenario. Let's take a pretty normal situation in the US or Western Europe. You're 29, you've been working for a few years. You're doing reasonably well. Your salary is $75,000 a year. Now let's break it down. Nothing extreme, just average decisions. Rent, 2,800 car payment, $450. Student loan, $300. Eating out plus subscriptions, $400. Shopping, travel, random spending, $400. That's about $4,100 already, which leaves you around $400 at the end of the month. On paper, you're earning well.